Happy New Year, guys. This is me wishing you a wonderful and a prosperous new year. I'm making this video on the 1st of January 2026. We are now in 2026, guys, and I'm really grateful to God for the gift of life and good health. And I'm sure you are grateful for that as well, because there are many people that started 2025 with us, but they are nowhere to be found. Life happens. So, guys, I also want to share with you guys what I'll be doing more on this channel this year. If you've been following me since last year when I started this channel, my intention for this channel was to document my trading journey. Yeah. But at some point, I started making videos on the educational parts of trading because of my viewers and because that's what they requested. I had to deviate from that part to be making more of educational content. But that wasn't helping me personally because it was messing with my psychology, guys. I'm not even going to lie. It was messing with my psychology. It was messing with my trading and everything. Even when I don't want to make videos pertaining that, I will just have to do it for the sake of my subscribers. But I wasn't truthful to myself and my journey. That wasn't helping me personally in terms of sharing my ups and downs and everything which I intended for this channel in the first place. So, and you've also noticed I stopped posting videos on educational content late last year. So this year is going to be more of my trading journey because I want to look back years from now and see the growths, the success, the failures, everything. I just want to look back and thank God for the journey. So this channel is going to be more of vlogging, more of my trades, more of my maybe losses, wins, success, and the rest of it. I'm also going to be documenting profit accounts I'll be trading on this channel. I'm also going to do the videos on the psychological part of trading because I believe there are people that are not aware of the psychological part of trading. They are just so focused on the strategy and forgetting that the psychological part of trading is also important. So if you are new to my channel or if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Mina, and on this channel I document my trading journey. I'm just giving you guys updates on what I'll be posting more on this channel. So I hope you're enjoying yourself. I hope you're catching fun. I hope you're relaxing. I hope you're taking care of yourself out there. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. I love you guys.